So let me show you a couple of my pepper plants that are doing, they're struggling a little bit, and I know it is because of the freeze that we had. I mean, I did my best to protect them, but you know, you can only do so much. The leaves, the top of the leaves, see that could be maybe just lack of nitrogen, but compared to those over there that are looking nice and green, this one is looking a little bit sad. But I'm gonna give it a little bit of a trim because they're very big plants to start with, so I can get away with trimming them a little bit, and I hope that, you know, they can come back nicely and keep on growing well. And this poblano pepper right here, the top of the leaves, the top of the plant is what is doing the worst. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here and trim these two parts of the plant because the rest of the plant really is doing really great. I mean, look at all those flowers. There's even, look at that, a baby poblano there. These are the only two plants that are kind of doing, I don't know, I'm wondering if they're gonna make it. I think they will. I mean, I think that it's going to be okay, but let me show you what did not make it right here, you guys. Can you see that, or what's left of it? That right here was basil. My basil plants. Honestly, I did not take care of them. I did not protect them. I kind of forgot about them. And this right here, can you tell what that is? That was a marigold. That was a marigold that wanted to be, but you know, 27 degrees came. I forgot to protect them, and well, they're gone. And that's okay. I knew when I planted these early that it was a risk putting them out this early, and I should have really taken the time to cover them, to protect them from the really hard winter night that we had, but I didn't, and that's okay. I got more basil plants inside. I got more marigolds inside, and let me show you right here. This one right here is doing really well, actually. It does not look like anything happened to it, and I'm really excited. And of course, we got the bok choy. My gosh, that looks amazing. I have about 6 plants here and there. Look at that. That is lettuce. And then these are weeds right here. My gosh. This one right here. See, my 12-year-old helped me with the tags. This is butter crunch lettuce. My gosh, look at that. How can something like that survive 27-degree nights and look this beautiful? Got more bok choy. These are radishes. These are China rose radishes. They are these hot pink radishes that I'm trying for the first time this year. So, and my onions looking amazing, and more lettuce and bok choys. And here are the carrots. I honestly did not think that these carrots were gonna make it, and I don't know if the cold weather hurt them inside, you know, through the roots, but the radishes are looking great, and the more onions over here. Have planted more. I'm happy. I mean, I was prepared to come here and, you know, find everything, or most of the things that I did not protect, that is. But they're still looking great. Well, except for that one, it's looking a little bit sad. But most of the things are really looking very nicely. Even the alyssum that I planted here, these are annuals. I started them from seed. Alyssum and snapdragons. Like look at that. This thing is about ready to bloom. I didn't protect these ones, and look at that. They are doing just amazing.